Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily refund a customer's purchase if they return merchandise by creating a credit memo and then issuing a refund check. To do this, first create a credit memo for the return. After creating the credit memo, then create a refund check for the amount of the credit memo to refund the customer. To create a credit memo for a customer's return, select Customers, Create Credit Memos Refunds from the menu bar. In the Create Credit Memos Refunds window that appears, select the name of the customer or customer job for whom the credit memo is being issued from the Customer Job drop-down. Next, enter the items that were returned in the Line Items area at the bottom of the window. Then click the Use Credit to Give Refund button in the main tab of the ribbon at the top of the window to issue a refund check for the amount of the credit memo. Within the window that appears, select the account used to withdraw funds for the refund check and enter any other information needed for the refund into the field shown. Then click the OK button to continue. Finally, ensure that you save and print the refund check as well as the credit memo to give to the customer.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.